So we get a lot of requests for fun, easy, share, takeable appetizers. I'm gonna show you something really cool. I love this. We're gonna do some Greek profile, Greek mini stuffed peppers. We just got some peppers here. Look, these little peppers. There's some red ones, some yellow ones, some orange ones, really fun. We're gonna cut them in half, just scoop out the seeds like that. We're gonna do a Greek profile on this, Greek flavor profile. We're gonna take some hummus, about a half cup of hummus. Now you can make your own hummus. Of course you can. I've got a great recipe for you. You can buy it in the store. You're gonna give it a little more kick with some of the addings. We're gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes. I love sun-dried tomatoes. They've got a real nice, really rich, pungent flavor profile. Some Greek Kalamata olives. Obviously, if I chop these up a little ahead of time, put those in there. We're gonna do a little olive oil. We're gonna do a little lemon, fresh lemon juice for a little brightness, a little citrus in there. A little nutritional yeast. You know we love our nutritional yeast. It's gonna add a nice kind of cheesy flavor. Little oregano, dried oregano's fine. And some pine nuts. I love pine nuts because they have this nice sort of toasty, nutty kind of flavor profile to them. We're just gonna sprinkle in some pine nuts like that, and then we're gonna use a little bit more later. And this is really simple, guys. We're just gonna mix this all together like so. And you're gonna see this all come together. You're gonna have a nice, beautiful filling for these mini peppers. Now, what's great about this, what I love recipes like this, these types, is they're all natural, they're all organic, they're all real. We're not using any imitation stuff here, right? Now, you could, if you wanted to make this, you could use a plant-based cheese on top. But for this, I just chose to keep it simple, keep it all natural. And look how easy that comes together. And I love sun-dried tomatoes. I love Kalamata olives. I love anything that's this sort of flavor profile. We're just gonna take a spoon and we're simply gonna take our little peppers and just fill them with our mixture. Now these are super fresh. What I love about this, we're gonna keep these raw. We're not gonna cook them. We're not gonna bake them. I suppose you could make little baked stuffed peppers. But what I love about this is you're gonna get that crunch, that bright, crisp crunch from that pepper. I love bell peppers, and these have just a little bit of sweetness to them. So what you're gonna find is you're gonna get a little bit of that saltiness from the olives, the sun-dried tomato. You're gonna get the nuttiness from the pine nuts. You're gonna get the citrus from the lemon juice. You're gonna get the cheesiness from the nutritional yeast, and it's all gonna come together and pair perfectly with these sweet little peppers. And look how easy this is. You can make as many of these as you want. You could make these ahead of time, put them in the fridge. Like I said, you could make them for home, make them for a party if you're having a little party. These are great too if you're doing something at home. Maybe it's, watching a game, you got some people over. A lot of your appetizer things you're gonna find, a lot of them are fried, a lot of them are, kind of not necessarily the healthiest thing. This is a great healthy option. Nothing really unhealthy about this. A little bit of olive oil in there is probably about your only thing. If you didn't want to do that, you could use a different oil, but you want to use a good olive oil too. I love the extra virgin. And look how simple this is. We're just going to fill these peppers like so. Ooh, I wish you could smell how good this smells. And then once we have them all filled, I've toasted some pine nuts. Like I said before, we've got some pine nuts in here. It's going to add a nice crunchiness, but when you toast them, it brings out, like I said, all that really nutty, delicious, savory, little sweet, nutty flavor from the pine nuts. Toastiness. We're gonna fill these, and then I'm going to just go back through and just take my pine nuts and sprinkle a couple on each of them. This is gonna add another layer of crunch on these when you eat them. So you're gonna get the crunch and that sweet bell pepper crispness. You're gonna get the creaminess and all the flavor profile from the mixture. Then you're going to get a little additional toasty crunch from the pine nuts. And then just to add another level of brightness and freshness, I'm going to take some chopped parsley, which I've chopped ahead of time, and just sprinkle that on there. And look how beautiful that is. Look how fun this is. They're super fresh, very bright, great flavors going on. And you have little Greek mini stuffed peppers. Look at that. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.